Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Deborah. And today we're going to talk about a unique and charming piece of home decor that has its roots in Mexican culture, sugar molds. If you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your home, stick around as I share 3 great ideas to incorporate Mexican sugar molds into your decor. If your desk is in need of organization, look no further than this sugar mold. This versatile piece can serve as a stationery organizer, perfect for holding pens, pencils, and other office supplies. This will help keep your workplace tidy and functional while adding a touch of rustic charm. Our second idea is to use your sugar mold as a seasonal display. This is a fun and creative way to switch up your home decor throughout the year. For example, during the holiday season, fill the cavities of the small ornaments or festive baubles. In the fall, you can add mini pumpkins, gourds, and colorful leaves. The possibilities are endless. Struggling with clutter? Your Mexican sugar mold can come to the rescue. Use it as a stylish organizer for your toiletries and grooming essentials. You can also add small jars or containers to hold cotton swabs, cotton balls, or hair accessories. This will keep your bathroom counter organized and looking chic with a rustic touch. There you have it, using 3 different design ideas for your rustic decor in your home. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share your own sugar mold projects with me on social media using the hashtag Rustic Design Minute. Thanks for watching.